Sir, how can we start development using Vechain?
One thing you can do is to go into, and we are working a little bit better on a what I call the development roadmap, not development walkthrough and libraries. We need to improve that, but I can give it to you right now. If you go into Docs VChain, you get a number of developer resources. I'll send it to you right now. Give me a minute. Here you go, development resources. Let me share my screen first. It's better so everyone can see. There you go. It's this one. So on VChain Docs, you have all the documentation with tutorials, the wallet, etc. So you can go there. I'm gonna put it here in the chat. This is the development resources, different tutorials, the wallets you need. There are 3 wallets at the moment that we have. The Explorer, 3 Explorers, and some of the tools that you're gonna need. They're not all there. I think now we put also RDAT. I suggest you get to RDAT plugin, and then there's a lot of resources here. So use these. There's guides. God, there is anything you need. It needs to be a little bit better organized, so we're working on that. But it's a good starting point. The main page is this one, but I suggest you go on resources and development resources, which is much richer. Okay. One thing, you need to learn Solidity. That's number one. And Solidity you can learn anywhere. On the Ethereum, you can find online, Udemy, Pluralsight, you can learn anywhere. But to really develop on VChain, you follow our guide.